Hello everyone, my name is Andrei Marius, and in this Envato Tuts Plus tutorial, I'll show you how to make a triangle in Adobe Illustrator using 3 different methods. Let's start with the most basic method. Select the pen tool from your toolbar and create your triangle using 4 simple clicks. Keep in mind that holding down the Shift key while drawing the lines will create perfect straight lines, making it a lot easier to create a 90-degree angle triangle. Select the rectangle tool from your toolbar and create your shape. Holding down the Shift key while dragging will create a perfect square. Switch to the Delete Anchor Point tool and simply click the point that you want to be removed. Let's undo this move and see another method that you can use to remove this anchor point. Switch to the Direct Selection tool, select this point and remove it using this button from the control panel. Select the Polygon tool from your toolbar and simply click on your artboard. Make sure that you set the size to 3, set the radius of your polygon as you wish, and then click OK to create your perfect triangle. Now, because the Polygon tool is built to create shapes with equal angles at their corners, you will end up with this perfect equilateral triangle. Finally, let's see how you can turn this into a rounded triangle. You have 2 quick options. First, you can select your shape using the Direct Selection tool and set the corners radius in the control panel, or you can go to Effect, Stylize and Rounded Corners, set the radius as you wish and click OK. Now you know how to make a triangle in Illustrator. I hope you've enjoyed this short tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.